Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a simple currency converter in Python. This project will use real-time exchange rates from an API, specifically exchange rate API. By the end, you will understand how to enhance applications by integrating external data sources. Our agenda for today includes an introduction to currency converters, an understanding of APIs and their importance in fetching real-time data, setting up our development environment, walking through the code for the currency converter, wrapping up with a summary and next steps. Currency converters allow users to convert one currency into another based on current exchange rates. They are useful in finance, travel, e-commerce, and personal budgeting. For example, travelers might want to know the amount they will receive when exchanging dollars for euros. Currency converters provide up-to-date and accurate conversions by using real-time exchange rates, which fluctuate continuously due to market dynamics. Exchange rates can change frequently due to factors like interest rates, inflation, and economic policies. Real-time data allows us to provide accurate conversions, ensuring that users see the latest values in our project. We will use an API to fetch these rates dynamically, making our converter precise and reliable. An API or application programming interface is like a bridge that lets one application communicate with another. Think of it as a waiter in a restaurant, taking your request to the kitchen and returning with your food. In this case, our converter will request exchange rate from an API and API will return the latest rates. To get started, we need install the request library, which allows us to make HTTP requests to the API. We can install it using pip install requests. Get an API key from the exchange rate API. This key will authenticate our request and give us access to the exchange rate data we need. This is the use case diagram for further clarifications. Let's look at the code for fetching exchange rates from the API. The fetch exchange rate function sends a get request to the exchange rate API with the base and the target currencies. If the response is successful, it retrieves the conversion rate from the JSON data and returns it. Otherwise, it displays an error message. Now let us look at the main function, currency converter. This function asks the user for input the base currency, the target, and the amount to convert. Then it calls the fetch exchange rate to get the conversion rate and calculates the converted amount. Finally, it displays the result to the user. To summarize, today we learned how to build a simple currency converter using Python and exchange rate API. We covered how to use an API for real-time data, handle errors, and ran our application. Moving forward, you could add more features like supporting multiple conversions or using a different API for other functionalities. Thank you.